up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another exciting video for you today on a 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. This truck is beautiful. It came all the way from Mississippi. A guy named Philip is waiting in the office. We're going to try to get it knocked out in one day so he can head on back home. I want to say I appreciate it to him for making the drive. Today we're doing the 4-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks on it. This is going to be an amazing truck when it's done. We're doing the factory 20-inch wheels on it. We're doing 295 65/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a 35 1150 tire. We're also doing some mud flap deletes to make sure that there's no real trimming or anything showing on the outside. It's going to look very factory looking when it's done. About to get out and show you what the truck looks like. Stay tuned for the process. Here's our beautiful truck. Like I said, this is the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. This truck's very clean for just driving all the way from Mississippi. Usually when you see them drive from out of town, they got bugs all over the front end, but this one looks great. He may have washed it too, I don't know. I know he's staying in town at least for a night. The trim looks good on it. He's got a couple of aftermarket things I can tell that he's already done to the truck. The black on the gray here looks amazing, or silver, whatever you want to call it. Only thing missing is the lift and the tires, and I think this truck will look great. I don't know what Chevy was thinking or GMC was thinking when they put that Goodyear all-terrain, because that thing doesn't look very all-terrain to me. They sure did put AT on it though. Black tinted windows, nice bed cover. The truck looks great. Super excited to get this one pulled in. Interior of this truck's really nice too. It's all black. This is my style. Exactly what I like. It looks exactly like my Tahoe LT, so I'm assuming that the interior is pretty similar on those models. Stay tuned, we're about to get it pulled in right now. Everything worked out. The truck's done. It is 2:06 p.m. Philip's about to be here to pick the truck up, and he's about to head back to Mississippi. The BDS lift kit looks amazing on this truck. We did the mud flap delete and the 295 65/20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which are like 35s. Everything fits perfectly. We had to do a little bit of trimming on that mud flap delete and in the inner fender area, and a little bit up on the front underneath the bumper on the plastic, but this is the 4-inch kit versus the 6. If you do the 6, there's less trimming, but the truck's a lot taller, so people tend to like the 4-inch kit better on the 35-inch tire. So I'm about to get out and show you what we ended up with. I appreciate everybody watching. Here's our final product. Truck's definitely a lot taller with this 4-inch kit and 35s than it was before. Like I said, we have really good clearance now. 295 65/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler is the tire of choice. It is a metric tire that is the equivalent of a 35 1150. There's the mud flap delete that we cut and installed there. It fits. The truck turns all the way, both ways. We did a little trimming on the plastic right up here. Nothing too crazy. There's the upper control arm. Here is our BDS cross member and skid plate. It's very, very nice, always. There's the angle that we get off the 4-inch lift on the CV axle, which is amazing. It's flat, it's a little bit better than stock. You will get a perfect ride and no driveline issues at all ever from this. In the rear, we have the Fox 2.0 shock, and this truck's actually a mono leaf spring. If you see there's only one spring on the leaf, it's actually a composite, almost like plastic leaf spring. There is a bracket that is necessary to modify this and make it fit correctly. The U-bolts are a little bit wider on the trucks with the composite. Overall, I'm very impressed with the way the truck turned out. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions about the prices or anything, I will attach a quote right after this clip on this exact build, so you'll know what this build would cost. If you have any more questions or a custom quote you'd like to do for your truck, please reach out on the phone. The number here is 678-994-9180. I'm here Monday through Friday from 8 to 6. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. I appreciate everybody watching.